A black hole is an area of space so dense that even light and its quanta cannot overcome the gravitational pull of this area. After all, the denser an object is, the stronger its gravitational field. The boundaries of a black hole have a separate name, the event horizon. What happens near the event horizon is a great mystery. Despite many years of research, astrophysicists can only speculate about its properties. But what if a black hole starts to pull the Earth toward it? With the recent discovery of gravitational waves, we can say that black holes do exist. This means that we may well encounter them. Physicists do not rule out the possibility of our planet falling into a black hole. Although the closest one to us is 7,800 light-years away, by astronomical standards, that is almost next door. Professor Kevin Pimble of the University of Hawke in the UK called the possibility of the Earth being sucked into a black hole very likely and explained what would happen in such a case. There is a theory that black holes can turn anything into spaghetti. A special term has even been coined for this phenomenon, spaghettification. This astrophysical term refers to the strong stretching of objects vertically and horizontally, caused by a large tidal wave in the gravitational field. Let's take a closer look at this process. The part of our planet that is closer to the black hole will be pulled in slightly faster. Thus, matter will begin to gradually flow in a thin stream toward the black hole, becoming thinner and longer. As a result, the Earth will take the form of an infinitely long thread that will disappear from view at the edge of the event horizon. The same will happen to all objects on the planet. And only then, after a sufficiently long time, will the black hole pull in all the matter that makes up the Earth. Black holes slow down time inside them. Approaching it or being on the event horizon, a person would most likely feel time slowing down and the clock ticking slower and slower. In addition, there are many objects in a black hole with different time shifts. And theoretically, humanity on a planet being sucked into the hole could observe cosmic objects that fell there earlier. As the expert noted, when falling into a supermassive black hole, we might not notice anything at all, at least for a short period of time.
Moreover, this period could stretch on indefinitely in subjective reality. How human senses would function during the Earth's fall into a black hole is unknown. It is quite possible that upon entering it, Earthlings would not notice anything unusual, at least if it were a very large black hole. That is how the physics of the event horizon works. Another scenario suggests a less original and more straightforward development of events. If the black hole is located in the center of a quasar, the planet will be burned up even before it reaches it. And there is no need to talk about any unique physical processes in this case. But the last scenario proposed by Pimble seems completely fantastical. According to the scientist, there is some probability that as a result of the black hole's gravitational pull on Earth, the planet will not disappear forever. No, the planet we know will be destroyed, but instead of it, a kind of hologram will appear, not an exact copy. According to scientists, black holes can create holograms, copies of the absorbed object. The latest theories say that when falling onto the surface of a black hole, all matter turns into a copy of itself. It is assumed that the surface of a black hole may be located in the fourth invisible quasi-dimension, and all information about the three-dimensional object that falls on it is recorded there. Unfortunately, all of these theories are currently unproven hypotheses. We know too little about black holes. Thanks to research conducted using the giant LIGO interferometer, we only know that they exist. But what lies beyond the event horizon of a black hole and whether the human brain, which operates in three-dimensional space, is capable of imagining it, remains one of the most intriguing mysteries of modern science. If you like this video and want to see more like it, be sure to like it, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any new episodes.